Good morning, sir. I am Jahnavi from Hannatpuram branch. I am going to say about Senna, that is third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Consider an object is moving with an initial velocity u meter per second and attains final velocity v after the time t seconds. The time t seconds. From the definition of acceleration. Definition of acceleration. A is equal to v minus u by t. T is equal to v minus u by a. Now t is equal to v minus u by a. We are considering. The formula of v average is equal to v plus u by 2. V average is equal to distance by time. Cross multiplication. V average. In the place of v average, we must substitute v plus u by 2 by 1 is equal to s by. In the place of t, we should substitute v minus u by a. V minus u by a. Now do cross multiplication. V plus u by 2 into v minus u by a is equal to s. S into 1 nothing but s. V plus u, v minus u. It's like a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. It is the formula. So v plus u, v minus u we can written as v square minus u square. 2a. 2 into a, 2a is equal to s. When here 2a is dividing with v square minus u square. When it goes to the right hand side, it will multiply. V square minus u square is equal to 2a s. This is the third equation of motion. Example. At a distance of length 400 meters, length is equal to 400 meters away from the signal light, brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with initial velocity 54 kilometer per hour. It is initial velocity. It's moving with an initial velocity 54 kilometer per hour. Determine the position of locomotive relative to signal light if it is moving with an acceleration a is equal to minus 0.3 meter per second square. This is our question. At a distance of length is equal to 400 meters away from the signal light, brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with an initial velocity 54 km per hour. Determine the position of locomotive relative to the signal light if it is moving with an acceleration a is equal to minus 0.3 meter per second square. Now we solve this problem by a picture. Solution. This is a road. Here it is a locomotive. It is a locomotive. This is signal light. This is a signal light. After some time it will be in the rest. So this total length is 400 meters. This locomotive is traveling in initial velocity 54 km per hour in the time t seconds. Now we will solve this problem. Initial velocity u is equal to 54 km per hour. So u is equal to 54 km per hour means kilometer by hour is equal to 54 5 by 18. 54 into 5 by 18. 15 months, 15 3 into 15 is 15 meter per second. It is the initial velocity of the locomotive. Now final velocity. Its final velocity means it is in after some time this locomotive is at rest. So we can say that final velocity is 0. Next one is acceleration. In the question only we have acceleration minus 0.3 meter per second square. Now we should find the position of the locomotive. Position of the locomotive. So how to find the position of the locomotive means from the first equation of motion. First equation of motion formula is V is equal to U plus AT. So we know these numbers. So we can apply those to this. Final velocity. V means final velocity. U means initial velocity. A means acceleration. T means time. So final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 15. Acceleration is minus 0.3. Time we don't know. So time as it is. So here 0.3 is multiplying with the time. So 0 is equal to 15. Plus of minus is minus 0.3 t. When this minus 0.3 t comes this side, it will add. So 0.3 t is equal to 15. Here multiplying, that side comes division. T is equal to 15 by 0.3. T is equal to 15 by 0.3 we can written as 3 by 10. Here this 10 and this 15 can be multiplied. Then we will get 150 by 3. 3 ones, 3 50s. So time is 50 seconds. Time is 50 seconds. Let us calculate the distance of locomotive when it comes to rest. Let us calculate the distance of locomotive when it comes to rest. So for this we are using third equation of motion formula. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Why? Here we are using Y formula means we should find the distance. So in this formula there is S. So we are using this formula. V square 0 square minus U square 15 square is equal to 2 into A means minus 0.3. Yes, we don't know as it is. So 0 square is 0. 0 minus 15 square means 225 is equal to 2 into minus 0.3 means minus 0.6. S as it is. Here minus, this minus get cancels. So 225 is equal to 0.6 seconds. Here S is multiplying with 0.6. So this 0.6 comes this side means it will divide. 225 by 0.6 is equal to yes. 225 by 0.6 we can written as 6 by 10 is equal to yes. This 225 and 10 get multiplied. 2250 by 6 is equal to yes. 6 ones, 6 3s 18. 45 means 7s 42, 35, 375. 375 is the distance of the locomotive. Next, so the total length, here we saw the total length was given 400 meters. We got 375. It travelled 375 and get it into the rest. So how much it have travelled? 400 meters minus 375 meters is equal to 25 meters. So 25 meters has been left. So the position of the locomotive is 25 meters far from the signal. The locomotive is 25 meters far from the signal. It is our answer. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.